How to see that who viewed your Snapchat story. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can see who viewed your Snapchat story. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to go in your app store or the play store that you are using, and here you have to go on the search and simply search for the Snapchat. Now once you are in, you have to click on it and update your Snapchat. And after updating your Snapchat, you just have to go back and open up your Snapchat application, and here you have to click on your profile that is in the top left corner. And from here you have to scroll down. Now here is the option of the add to my story. You have to add your story that you want to add in your Snapchat. And after that, here you have the option of the my story friends only, and here you have to select the my story friends only or the public, and between all of these options you have to select anyone, and you just have to click on this arrow icon that is in the bottom right corner, and you are able to add your story on the Snapchat. Now how you can view that who see your Snapchat story? What you have to do is simply click on your story, and here in the bottom left corner there is the option of the eye icon. You have to click on it, and from here you are able to see that who viewed your Snapchat story. And in my case, nobody has viewed my snap yet, so I am not able to see anyone. So that's how you can see that who viewed your Snapchat story. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.